Latest update for La Réunion on Cyclone Berguitta, which is currently located 90 kilometers to the southeast of the island. At 8 p.m. local time on January 18th, it had winds of 65 miles an hour and a pressure of 984 millibars. It's at 22.1 degrees south, 56.0 degrees east, and an orange alert remains in effect for Réunion, which is experiencing gale force and near hurricane force winds, wind gusts that is, over the island, and tropical storm force winds most likely in the southeast. Over the next few days the storm is going to clear through. Hopefully by tomorrow morning or lunchtime the storm will have cleared Réunion, and then after that it's going to be pretty quiet afterwards. As you can see on this map here, only light winds forecasted. So looking at the storm's location right now, you can see Réunion still under the wind field, even though it's the smallest quadrant of wind gales. It's at 65 miles an hour as said. Tropical storm, a strong tropical storm according to Meteo France. It's a stage 2 on the CDPS, meaning that minor damage is possible. The main issue from this storm now is probably going to be flooding rains. Orange alert remains in effect. Over the next few days you can see that rainfall there, and that rain will persist quite a bit, though lightening up throughout Thursday into Friday. We might still see some significant rainfall on Friday and Saturday, but the chances of strong winds will have completely gone hopefully by the weekend, and then into early next week we'll be seeing again showers here and there, but generally not too bad, and obviously no more tropical storm conditions, although it does appear to be getting wetter again as we get towards the middle part of the week. So that's what it's looking like, and let's take a look at the sea surface temperatures, which have gone down slightly in the area because of the storm's presence. 26s and 27s generally there, the temperatures only just enough to sustain a tropical cyclone, and it will continue to move towards the southwest and gradually weaken, we expect. Here is the wind shear graphic showing where it is in relation to Réunion, and the wind shear is at marginal values, it would appear, though it is getting slightly better, and this is what we were concerned about a few days ago, that the wind shear might get better again before the storm struck Mauritius and might have re-intensified, but at the moment it's looking like any re-intensification would occur after passing Réunion, which it already pretty much has by now. Here is the infrared imagery, as you saw the visible just before, and you can see still a lot of that cloud cover over Réunion and significant rainfall still occurring at this time, and that will continue for a few more hours into this evening. Hopefully by morning things will be looking much better over there, and the islands, the threat to the islands will have hopefully diminished almost completely by morning. But that's the current situation with the storm. We'll have another update if necessary coming up soon. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. It's still under construction at this point, but do bear with us. You can also find us on YouTube, subscribe if you haven't already. We're on Facebook as well under the same name, Force 13, all in text, and you can follow us on Twitter. The hashtag is, the handle is @Force13. You can also add us on Skype, search Force 13 all in text, and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, add extension 9094 for tropical weather chat.